Hello, welcome back. Another episode from Jafil International Trading Corporation. My name is Farman. Today we are going to introduce you another backhoe which is PC128-8. So this bucket, it's 1/2. Look at, there have a breaker line, original. Look at the boom of the backhoe and the seal and how shiny is that. It means it's very fresh unit, very good, original from Japan. Let's talk about the track part. Look at the track part, how thick is that and still in good condition. Look at the undercarriage. Wow, fresh unit, only just need to power wash, that's it. Look at the sprocket, it's Matibai, good. Look at the roller, A1. The running hour is 7,300. Hello. Look at the chassis of the backhoe, fresh, and look at the pipe, the hose, still fresh condition. And come here and look at the plate of this one is PC128US-8, 2010 model. Look at the turntable, it's still good, only just we have to power wash like a dirty, otherwise a good fit, very nice condition. And look at guys the pump, how fresh is that. Look at this one. Wow, just need to power wash, that's it. Fresh, yeah. Guys, also this unit has a camera in the back side. It can shows you in the monitor. When you operate, you can see in the back. This is all specification about the unit. I already explained to you, and thank you so much for listening and watch my video. And now I'm going to tell my operator to operate the backhoe. Thank you so much.